Motorola's upcoming G Stylus smartphone has surfaced online in leaked images. The Moto G Stylus 2026, expected to launch soon, will join the Moto G 2026 and Moto G Play 2026. The phone looks like every other recent Motorola smartphone, which isn't surprising. It seems to have a fake leather back and is shown here in two colors, and the stylus pen sits right next to it. We don't know the official color names. First image of the Motorola Moto Tag 2 also leaks. When it comes to specs, a 6.7-inch OLED display is expected, with a 120Hz refresh rate. We can see a triple rear camera setup housed inside a square camera module that appears to be slightly smaller than the 2025 model. Qualcomm has already unveiled the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4, and the chances of the Moto G Stylus 2026 featuring it are highly likely. A 5000 mAh battery is expected, along with 68W wired charging. 15W wireless charging could also be included in the package. Its predecessor arrived in April this year, so we're expecting an early Q2 2026 launch for this phone. The phone is expected to cost in the range of $399 to $449. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.